Dogs agree that this bright and fun basketball toy is totally gnawsome. Bright flashing LED lights activate upon impact. Loud internal squeaker and gum massaging spiky texture. Made from food-grade, BPA-free TPR materials. 2.5 in diameter. Top reviews from the United States. He loves these. My crazy rescue corgi loves these balls above all others for some reason. Maybe he likes the grip he can get with those little spikes? Or the super-squeak? He has 4 different sizes and shapes, one or the other in his mouth, wanting to play fetch most of the time. They seem indestructible, amazing considering how intense he is with toys. They are all 4 still noisy and like new. The squeaker is so cleverly placed. 5 stars without a doubt.